Kuringana na riboti ya kiama kia Mutharaba Mutune, atumia 7 na ciana 4 nio moragirwo tharikira-ini iria iratabanirio utuku wa gukia umuthi gicigo-ini kia Mkutani kaunti-ini ya Baringo. Agi 6 aria magurarite marathie na mbere kwamukira motungata ma urigitani thibitari-ini itiganite.
They have been stabilized now. 2 of them, the children, one has been referred to St. Mary's Hospital in Nakuru and one in Kabarnet Hospital.
The one with the gunshot wound on the head is not deep. It just went through the scarf. So he's out of danger.
Aikari ni mashakaite iguru ria cieko icio ona gutwika marauga maabitha a ugitiri ni makoretwo makihuthia riboti iria makoretwo makiheo ni muingi, riboti iria marauga ni ingirateithiririe kugiririria tharikira iyo.
Watoto nauliwa. Serikali inafanya nini? Yuzi ile walitoa iko operation. Wapi operation? Watu wanatuambia kuna security ya kutosha. Hardi hiyo wenye wako huko commandant alikuwa Nakuru. Na wakati tunapoongea naye anasema kila kitu under control.
Tharikira ici ciukite oriri thirikari itangathite icigo 7 kaunti-ini ya Laikipia ta icigo cia ugwati. Imwe cia icigo iria cigwetetwo ni hamwe na Rumuruti, Kirimon, Ngarua, Marumanet, Muthengera na Mukogodo. Ndumiriri-ini yake kuri ya Kenya, President Uhuru augite thirikari yake ndigwitikira njama cia wikinae guthie na mbere na aruta mukana kuri andu aria maracungiriria ngahiha.
I wish to reiterate again that my administration cannot and will not condone the blatant violation of the rights guaranteed in our Constitution. And we will use all means at our disposal to pursue and bring to justice all those involved in causing this mayhem.
Ateti onao ni moritio magacunga miaria yao riria marariria muingi, kwaga uguo ni mekuerwo makinya ma kiwatho. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, Titago Gathoni, Wajihia.